The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention relaxing mask mandates in healthcare settings. Riley Birdwell joining us now with more on the new recommendations.
Now, Riley, does this mean that healthcare workers in the state can ditch those masks when they're seeing the patients?
Bob, Laura, not just yet. Dr. Hopkins told me that I spoke with at UAMS that he would love to be able to take off his mask while seeing patients, but this new recommendation has some guidelines that Arkansas doesn't necessarily fit into.
It's not been a normal cultural practice in healthcare or across our population in the United States to wear masks.
Since the pandemic, wearing a mask in healthcare facilities has been mandatory.
Masks are inconvenient. Yes, they're uncomfortable.
But Friday, the CDC updated its policy for healthcare workers.
In areas that have low rates of transmission, that it's reasonable for healthcare institutions to not continue with mandatory masking.
Robert Hopkins has been a doctor for over 40 years.
I've wanted to be a physician as long back as I can remember. I hear stories from my family members about me putting together a first aid kit when I was a preschooler.
He says he enjoys getting to interact with patients face to face.
You know, I do miss seeing people's faces.
But unfortunately for Arkansas,
we don't have any counties that are in that low transmission risk.
And with flu season on its way,
as long as we've got widespread respiratory illnesses, I'm going to continue to wear my mask when I'm around other people.
Dr. Hopkins says he does look forward to the day we might see a little normalcy, but until then, he will keep masking up.
A mask is a pretty small investment to make for the health of ourselves and those around us.
Dr. Hopkins says that everyone at UAMS will continue to wear masks until Pulaski County is in that low transmission state. And mask policies for patients will also be altered if that is the direction that we start to move in. For more information about the updated CDC masking policy, you can visit our website at KARK.com. Reporting in studio, I'm Riley Birdwell. Back to you guys.